Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a light leave-in using an additional emulsifier called Cream Maker Moringa, which is made from moringa oil. I'm using stainless steel single-walled 16-ounce cups to mix my ingredients. Betaine is optional. Use another humectant like glycerin if you don't have this. Cream Maker Moringa is a natural emulsifier made from moringa oil. Used on its own, it's supposed to give a silky, melting feeling. Now in this recipe, I'm pairing it with BTMS 50 for additional conditioning, which may sort of blunt that feeling a little bit. With the mixture cooled, you can see how it is thickened, but it won't get stiff. I wanted a light leave-in cream for everyday or every other day use. It shouldn't get super thick. If you have super thick cream, something is wrong. That's it, guys. This is my super simplified recipe where I'm using an even 200 grams, which is around 7 ounces. Don't be shocked if this doesn't fully fill your 8-ounce container. Enjoy this lovely light leave-in cream. I haven't noticed any terrible soaping effect on the hair when twisting, like when you use a fatty alcohol in your recipes. This just glides and helps keep my hair moisturized. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.